So here's how we can leave a group chat on Android. So let's get started. If this is your first time in here on this channel, definitely become part of our community here on Foxtecc, so that way you'll never miss anything important. So if I open up the messages app on my device, you can see I have a couple of like group chats in here. So if you actually want to leave it, what you can do is to tap on it like that and tap on the names at the top. And what you're going to do is to, for example, snooze the chat, meaning that you don't receive like any notifications at all, or you can manage the notifications right here. So that is basically the option which you can play with, but you can as well tap on the notifications below, and there is the option to set this as not a conversation. So these notifications will not be grouped with the other conversations in the panel, so that's what you can click on. But as well, what you have the ability to do is to archive it or report spam. And if you just archive it like that, then the group chat is not going to show up anymore. There is not a button to leave this chat because without RCS messaging, you cannot really leave a group chat nor create one. So right now, without RCS, you can only set up a group of people which you send message to, and every people is going to get that message delivered, but it's not a proper group chat. Like a lot of people miss that if you go to the settings, you have to have the RCS chats enabled, and all of the other people in the group also need to have that turned on and actually use it for a proper group chat to be created. So that's gonna be a situation like that. And if you already have like the RCS, then you should also see the leave this conversation button. So I hope it kind of makes sense. I just tried to explain it the best I could. In case of any further questions, you can leave them below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.